So I got my hands on the new Pat Pat Ombre Gels from Wowbao. Soft Ombre, endless possibilities. www.wowbownails.com. Now there is nothing else on the box, so let's look at what else you get. When you buy the set, you also get this color card. So there's like a full coverage color and then an ombre in each of the colors as well, and there's 12 colors, and there's purple's my favorite. Look at that yellow, proper buttery yellow, stunning, love them so much. So this comes with like a little bit on the back that's stuck to the back and a little rod, and you screw that in so you can stand it up on your desk. Now I use command strips and I stick it to the wall for my clients to see. I also got a box of the sponges and the little grabby tool that you hold the sponge with as well to do your patting. Now let's crack into this. Don't use your nails as tools, ladies, but also look at the state of me. Look, don't end yourself with a pair of nail scissors either. That is not the way forward in life, is it? No, let's not do that. So get into this safely. Lovely. Now I'm so excited. Let's have a little look. Oh, look at those. Oh man, I do love a new product. There are 12, so they're in the order that is on the card. So you've got white, which is number 1. Number 2 is like a nude beige. Then you've got the deeper beige, the brown one, red, black, buttery yellow, pale blue, baby pink, purple, and then you've got bright pink and that gorgeous Tiffany like green color. Stunning. Now let's get these out. Okay, they are packaged amazingly. That's a big thick bit of sauce. Oh, okay. So when I saw them, I thought their pots were as big as the lid, but the pots are actually in this frosted glass kind of pot. How cute are they? A lovely little job opening that up. Now there are also these peel off sticky lids. You can leave these on, you can take them off, it's your preference. If you leave them on, make sure that when you do open them, you do it slowly like I'm doing. Sometimes the pressure, they will do a little in your face or on your hand. Gorgeous. Look how thick that gel is. Now it's gone like stringy off the lid where it was, but you know, look, I am tipping that gel upside down and sideways. It's not moving. That is solid gel. Oh my God. Actually super excited to use these. Let me get that lid back on and show you the colors. So that is the white. This one is the nude. It's a kind of peachy nude. It's very cute. This one much more pink nude. The next one is kind of like, if you've got the gel polishes, think of Shroom or Dolce K. Then we've got our red absolute staple, need that. Next up is black, that's just black, but you need it. Then we've got that butter yellow, beautiful. Beautiful powder baby blue, gorgeous. Baby pink to go with it. Then we've got guys and gals, the lavender, stunning. Then a bright pink, because why not? And then this Tiffany teal kind of green. It's more green than it shows on camera. So super excited. Oh my God. Let's unbox the Pat Pat Ombre Gel color card as well. How cool is this to have the colors already done, full coverage, and the ombre onto clear. Now this has got a protective sheet on. Much to my dismay, I have to take it off. If anybody knows me, you know I don't like taking plastic off of stuff. My phone's 3 years old, still got plastic on the back. So you can stand that up on your desk, show your clients what colours you've got for ombre. Then we've got the box of the sponges and the tool. Now this doesn't come with the set, you order it separately, but there are 50 sponges and the tool. So this bit may be separated, just make sure you screw that in first, and then as you press that, these little grabbers come out. Just be careful you don't grab yourself. Put one of these little spongy guys in here to the grabbers, push it down, and what we want to create is a little rounded bit on the top so we can do our patting. Now, if this wasn't a cool thing to use, I don't know what is. If you want videos on how to use this, let me know in the comments.